Oh, there it goes. Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens with another video. Today we're getting some 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Frisco. Today is Friday, May 9th, 2025. And, but first, before we get started, I need to tell you all something about my cypress. It just came back to life, as you can see. They have two names. The normal name is bald cypress, which I call it. The other name is Taxodium dispitution. I don't know how to say it, but it's Taxodium. But anyways, let's get back to the strong winds. So anyways, we're getting some 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts, possibly gusting to 35, maybe even 40. I don't know. We'll just have to see. Yeah, it looks quiet right now, but trust me, it will pick up in a minute. You know how winds just stop for a minute? They just go again. That's happening right now. Yeah, we got some clouds rolling in. Oh, there goes those Bradford pears. Yeah, we have a lot of clouds today. There's a chance of rain for the next hour. A slight chance of rain. There go those live oaks. Yeah, it's pretty windy out today. My bald cypress is kind of not susceptible to wind because the winds are coming from this way and my oak tree is blocking the wind from reaching my cypress. But the top of my cypress is blowing pretty good. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, you can see right there. Yeah, the top is blowing. Man, that's a big old cloud right there. So I'm about to get out of school soon. I get out the 21st of May. Apparently makeup days, weather makeup days, because we had snow in January. And so I have to make it through, today's Friday, I have to make it through next week. I have to make it through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, one last normal week, and then the weekend, and then I go back to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I'm out for the summer. So yeah, that is how long until I get out of school. So hopefully I'll be filming a lot of content, hopefully a lot of storms and sirens. Man, they're speeding. Yeah, a lot of cars like to speed down the street here. I don't know why. The people are just idiots. We'll go to the backyard in a few minutes. I'm just watching this wind. There goes my cypress. Let's see if I can get a swishing noise out of it. Alright, let's get a swishing noise. It's kind of hard to hear it swish with the leaves on, but you can still hear it. You see those green cones, like little balls on them? Those cones? I'm trying to listen for the leaves. Yeah, I doubt we're going to hear it swish because the leaves are on and it's hard to hear it swish. Look at those two oaks over there. Yeah, it's very windy today. Yeah, they say 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts will be here pretty soon. It is going to be windy for the rest of the day. Let's go back out to the street. I'm not allowed to walk up and down the sidewalk too far. Because I get my parents mad. Man, see those branches? They're like going up. See? They're like going up. Yeah, my cypress has lost a few tops. Right there. And there. Right there. But those tops will eventually grow back. You could see at the top of the tree, the top kind of got ripped off, a little piece of it. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, up there. I don't know if you can see those new branches coming out. Those branches, I don't know if they'll become the top or not. We'll just have to see. Okay, let's see what else happens here, because 30-mile-an-hour winds can do like anything. They can knock off small branches. They can rip up small trees. Like that one. Oh, the sun's coming out. You can see it's sunny today. Yeah, it's also very cloudy as well. There's a slight chance of rain over the next hour. But I doubt it's gonna rain because there's blue skies above us. Oh, there goes that Bradford pear in the back. My dead tree's back there. I really hope it hasn't fallen over, because that tree blows so much. Yeah, let's see if I can actually see it. Can you guys see it? No, y'all probably can't. You guys probably can't see it. But we'll go back there in a second. But yeah, these ones are crazy. Yeah, there's poison ivy in my yard. It's poison ivy, which I absolutely hate. Yeah, it's very windy today. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the backyard, so I will see y'all in a jiffy. Alright, so we're here in the backyard. My dead tree is blowing. Well, it's not fully dead. Every time I shake the leaves, they come off even though they're still green. It's because oak trees have like a something in them. I don't know what it's called. But it's something that makes their leaves come off easy. Even though they're still green and that branch is dying. So yeah, this tree is dead, but it still has its leaves on it. The leaves haven't even turned brown yet. It's been a full freaking week. As you can see, we're having a nice fire, little campfire. There goes the wind. Yeah, I might like mostly be pointing at my tree. Yeah, you can kind of hear my dead tree swish because of the leaves are still on it. Guys, look at the base. The base still moves, but barely. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure this is secured real quick. Alright, it's secured. Yeah, Harriet got a haircut. She got a haircut today. Looking pretty nice. Here's my other dead tree. As you can see, it barely blows because it has no leaves. Let's see if we can see it blow real quick. Let's see if it blows here. Yeah, you can see it blowing. It's barely blowing. Let me get on my trampoline here. Oh, school buses are coming. Yeah, I just got off of school like an hour ago. Oh my gosh, look at that tree over there. The leaves have like turned over. You guys see that? I might have to do a windstorm clip today. So yeah, this is my tree. Oh, she wants to go inside. All right, we're back out here in the front. I'm gonna see what happens when I burn a dry branch. Like this branch, for example. Look what happens. It just burns right away because they're so dry. So yeah, if that fire like reaches my dead tree, it could light the leaves on fire. Oh my gosh. Let me go to the back door. These ones are getting kind of intense. Yeah, my tree is going. The wind's like blowing a different direction today. Like it's blowing that way. I'm gonna put this in the fire because I don't want it here. And yes, I do have a supervisor in the house. So yeah, this week it's gonna be in the 90s. Like it's gonna be very hot. It's gonna be pretty hot this week. So my dead trees should die faster because of the hot temperatures. Sorry, my dad came out. He's helping with the fire. I'm just watching my tree right now. Oh, there it goes. Here, let me turn my brightness up. Oh my goodness, look at it. Here, let me make sure the base doesn't move. Let's see if it moves, you guys. Just waiting for a gust.
Gus is coming up. Gus is coming over?
No.
I said you waiting for Gus?
When gusts? Oh yeah, look.
That your cousin Gus was coming.
Nope. Yeah, it moves. That was a big gust. Man, that was a big gust, you guys. Like, I'm not kidding. That was like a pretty massive gust. And that was like a 35-mile-an-hour gust.
Was there a now and
Oh, man. Oh, look at that. Dad, look.
Yeah,
It's pretty windy today.
pretty windy.
My dad's picking up branches to burn. Do you know what our wind says? Our wind gusts?
What?
I don't know.
Oh, you wouldn't look, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Wind gusts up to 22 miles per hour.
22? That looks like 30.
It's like 20.
There's smoke blowing at me. Dude, you're just a crazy dude, aren't you? Oh my goodness. Here, let me get on my trampoline again. This is crazy. Look at that shiny zone right there. It's like going out of style. Yeah, whoa. I heard something. Yeah, there's smoke blowing at me.
Yeah, it's smoky.
Oh my goodness, like every single tree in the neighborhood is moving. Like I'm looking at every tree and it's moving. Man, look at how smoky it is over there. I'm gonna sit down here. Yeah, there's my dead tree. As you can see, it's like kind of leaning backwards and then like goes forward a little bit. It's kind of weird. This tree, Dad, how long has this tree been in the ground?
24 hours.
I would say this tree was here for like a week.
Probably.
Maybe a week or two.
Over the week, I think we did it last weekend, didn't we?
I think it was last weekend, yeah.
Yeah.
So this tree was installed a week ago. Oh my gosh, look at those trees. Man, that sweet gum is really blowing over there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these trees are really blowing today. I really hope my trampoline doesn't lift. Alright, we're back.
And we're back.
This tree has barely moved at all. There's no leaves on it. It's not susceptible to wind. Everything just got quiet. That's so weird. It's just weird how everything just got quiet. Think
Before the storm.
this is the calm before the storm, because every single cloud that comes over us produces more winds. Man, this mulberry is really, really kicking it. And yeah, here's my dead tree. Well, I guess that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.